everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking these two signs and turning them into a mitt/stocking holder. I found these obviously during the fall, but they do have some winter Christmas signs like this. So as you can see here, I've already glued these two signs together and I have spray painted them. I used hot glue and E6000 to glue mine together, but you could use wood glue or whatever you have on hand. And now I am just going to put a very, very thin coat of Mod Podge onto my sign. I just want to give it a little dusting of glitter. It does not matter what kind of Mod Podge you use for this step because it's going to be covered up with glitter. But of course, if you don't like glitter, and I don't know who does not like glitter, it's a foreign subject for me. But if you don't want to use glitter, obviously you can simply skip this step. The first two glitters you see me using are both from Walmart, and this glitter right here, I was gonna stick with just iridescent. I used a lot of iridescent for Christmas DIYs, but I kind of wanted a little bit of a holographic sparkle, so I am adding my own mix called Unicorn Dust. And here I am after everything has all dried. I am hot gluing some thread or rope. What's this stuff called? Baker's twine. There it is. Baker's twine. This candy stripe baker's twine to the border. I just felt like I needed a little more of a pop, and I'm hot gluing it every few inches and doing my little signature glitter sprinkle over the hot glue just to hide it a little bit. So I did forget to say that I saw a picture of this or something very similar to it on Facebook. I didn't get to save the picture. I completely forgot. So I don't know who inspired me to make this, but I do remember seeing something very similar to it. And I was like, oh, I want to give that a try. So this was not my idea, just putting that out there. It was somebody on Facebook. I have no clue, but if it was you, thank you for the inspiration. So right here, I am using these adorable wall 3D stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby a year or two ago. I had to save them. They're obviously not sticky anymore, but I saved them, and I'm going to hot glue those bad boys onto this sign along with these hooks that I got from Dollar Tree. And I have some fairy lights because y'all know me, everything has to have lights or glitter or both. In this case, both. I got these warm white lights from Amazon. They were in a 6-pack for $10. And I also got some colored ones as well, but I am using the white ones. And I did hot glue the battery pack to the side of the sign. Immediately after I did it, I wish I hadn't done it, only because I wanted to have the option to take the lights off, but I already did it. Next time, if I decide to make another one, or if you decide to try to make one, I would use Velcro. But I mean, I probably won't take the lights off because everything needs to be lit up during Christmas. But all I did was hot glue the battery pack and then just wrap the lights around the perimeter of the sign and tape it up in the back. Right here, I'm just simply showing you that I did do it upside down a little. Luckily, I didn't glue down my stickers beforehand. But yeah, so that would be my suggestion. And right here, I am just lining everything up to figure out exactly where I want everything before I hot glue. And here it is, all finished. I am so excited. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can hang it in your kitchen to hold up your oven mitts. You can hang it in your living room to hold stockings. I still don't exactly. Well, first of all, I clearly can't talk today. I don't know where I plan on putting this, but it will be going up very soon. And I cannot wait. It is so adorable. Thank y'all for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to click on the bell so you know when I upload next. And thank y'all so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.